Hi guys, and welcome to Swag Supercars. So as you can see, we're out in the Spider, but there are also many others. So I'm down at the Origine RS club meet, I don't know, but basically there's just hundreds of mega rare Renaults, and there's already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Spiders including ours, and there's 3 more to come. So yeah, gonna be mad. We're gonna get some filming of some cars. If you just could take a quick look at our engine bay. Excuse that, it was a bit chewy. I wanted to warm it up a little bit from the drive on the way home. But basically, this is fully stock, and then I'm going to show you some of the other Spiders, and the work is just insane. So that's basically all of the cars now. I've basically recorded all of them here. There's now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Spiders here. So 3 more have arrived, I think. Yeah, there you go. Other Spiders just arrived. Not quite sure what's happening now because I've recorded most of the cars. I think they're going to be doing some driving and testing sort of things later. Okay, so it's been about an hour since I last vlogged. Basically, they're doing a thing called the hill climb run or something. But basically, they just launch as quick as they can up a massive hill. So I'm going to record that. Also, I just saw the loudest Mustang ever. The phone won't pick it up, but... yeah, that was pretty mad. Okay, so I've given up on that because it was pretty painful watching people incorrectly launch their cars up a hill and scrape their front bumper and then drop the gears and fail to even drive. So we came back and there's another yellow Spider that's arrived. It's like Okay, so I'm going to sign off this vlog for today. Thank you very much for watching, because I've just went to like a Mercedes place and saw an AMG GTR drifting and C63s everywhere and general madness. So come back to my channel for another video of what I'm going to film right now of the Mercedes on skid pan, drifting, racing, everything. Got some awesome action down at Mercedes-Benz. So make sure that you like, comment, subscribe this video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.